You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, please do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button, and there's a bell, there's a cap beside the subscribe button. It is a notification bell. Click on all right, so that you get to see any video I upload. All right, do not forget to like our page on Facebook. It's tagged Bag Makers World, all right, and there's also Tarron Innovative World. So Bag Makers World, there you can showcase your bags. You can showcase whatever you made, your bags and anything related to bags. All right, so in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful and exciting bag. Have you joined our Telegram class? If you have not joined, you're very wrong. You are missing a lot. You're missing a lot. For just 10,000 naira, you're going to gain a lot. You have access to me at any time. At any time, you have all time access to me. And then in this class, we are starting from the beginning. Whether you know how to make bag or you don't know how to make bag, whether you know how to match the machine or not, it doesn't matter. In this, we're starting from the scratch. We'll teach you how to how to match the machine. That's how to pedal the machine. We'll teach you how to fix thread. We'll teach you how to set the machine and many other things. So you're going to learn from the scratch. That's if you're a beginner. So we're looking at beginners. Beginners are welcome in this class. Intermediates are welcome. Advanced bag makers are also welcome. You're going to learn a lot of things. There are a lot of bags you're going to be learning for just 10,000 naira, and it's for 8 weeks. So join this class for just 10,000 naira. If you're interested, please WhatsApp me on +2348036588365. It's only if you're interested, that's when you should chat me up. If you know you are not ready to pay 10,000 naira, please don't chat me up. It's just for 10,000 naira, and you have all time access to me. Anytime you call me, if you have a business like you don't know how to calculate, I'll teach you how to calculate side of bag, how to cost your bag, how to market your bag, and so many other things that are not on this YouTube. So because we don't have much time on YouTube, but there you have personal one-on-one discussion with me. All right, so that's by the way. So let's get into the detail of today's video. All right, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make another bag, and then the measurement of the bag is 12 inches. All right, 11.5. All right, 11.5 or 11 and a half inches by, let me see, okay, by 29 inches. Okay, 11.5 by 29 inches. All right, and then this is the handle that we'll be using our webbing strap, or we call it belt here. So I'm using matching color belt. Okay, you can see gold here, but you can decide to use any color of your choice. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I would write, I'll do this fold, like depending on how you want it, but this is 0.7 inches. I'll fold 0.7 inches, and then I will top stitch it this way. So you may want to know how many inches. So this is 3 inches. So this side you also leave 3 inches. Yes, 3 inches. All right. Folding the same thing, 3 inches. Please measure. I'm used to measurement, so even if I should measure it, it will be 3. Or use your tape if you are a beginner, please measure and measure. So the next thing I will do is do like this. Bring out this hand like this. in my Telegram class, I'm going to be teaching you how many bags you can get, like how many yards of material you need to make 100 bags, 50 bags, and many more. And then I'll be teaching you pricing. All right, so now the next thing is to get the center of this. Get the center of this and notch it. So the next thing I will be doing is I'm going to be marking out 3 inches. Okay, I'll mark out 3 inches. So you can use your pen. I'll mark out 3 inches like this. 3 inches. Okay, you can use your ruler to mark out 3 inches. Then so that's 3 by 3. So just use your ruler to mark out 3 by 3. Okay, so I'll also come here, mark out 3 by 3. Right, so just make sure it's 3 by 3, and then you cut it out like this. After, so this is what we have after cutting your 3 by 3, right? So I'll come here like this and top stitch. You also top stitch the other side the same way. So the next thing to do is flip it this way and top stitch. You also flip this side like this and top stitch. So let me show you this. Come to this side and do the same thing. All right, so let's see what we have. I'm gonna turn it. So this is what we got here. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like, you can use your velcro. Okay, you can fix your velcro here. All right, but for this one, this is how we're going to leave it. All right, so thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. You can use it for shopping, you can use it for anything you want to use it for. You can use it as handbag. So the material used here is leather material, right? It's leather material. You can use any material of your choice to make this. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. But remember, before you end watching, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.